Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Present time, highly and biggest income, the YouTube short. The lot of YouTuber, $1,000 to $1 million income the whole world, the YouTube short. You can practice your good video editor and video editing, video creating, the good content, the funny content, blogging, travel blogging, jewelries, fashion, sports, football, cricket, NBA, basketball, golf, etc. etc. Any type of videos, any type of create the short YouTube short channel, the YouTube launching 2023, the shortest income, the 10 millions views. Your good videos, the 5 to 10 million views very easily, the how to make money, the YouTube shorted income. You can easy your hands, Android phone, iPhone, your own mobile phone, create the shorted videos. The shorted videos length 10 minute, 15 minute, 24 minute, 30 minute, 35, 36, 40, 42, 47, 50, 55, the 58, the last, the under 60 minute, the how to create shorted videos. The present time, lot of YouTuber, lot of make money, the YouTube shorted video create. Very easy and very simple, the YouTube shorted video create. Just 5 to 10 minute, 10 second, 15 second, they created any funny video, funny maker, blogging, cartoon, education, travel, jewelry, fashion, science, technology, people on blog, etc. etc. Friends, you can start today the how to make money very easy way, the YouTube shorted. I request them especially make YouTube short videos 2 days. The how to make money, you can very easily the Google website open, the YouTube search and shortest videos and short income. Lot of provide the YouTube channel, the shorted make video, the lot of YouTuber, Asian YouTuber, American YouTuber, European YouTuber, Australian YouTuber, Japanese YouTuber, the million dollar earn the YouTube shorted. You can start YouTube short. I request every people your hands mobile, iPhone, Android phone and DHL camera shooters the under 60 minutes, just 0 to 55 minutes complete your shorted videos and make your videos editing the sound, the music add in this YouTube shorted income. Thank you, best of luck.